Hello children, I hope you all are fit and fine. In this video, I am going to brief you work done from 16th August to 31st August for subject English. Before we start our new topic, we will do one exercise in the spiral book, page number 17. The work done on 18.8.20, that is matching. You have to match the picture with the correct alphabet. The first picture is carrot. Carrot. Focus on the first sound of the word carrot. K. Carrot. So K sound is of alphabet C. K. C. K. Carrot. The next picture is aeroplane. A. Aeroplane. So the sound A is of alphabet A. Next picture brinjal. B. Brinjal. So alphabet B. Frog. Frog. F. Duck. 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 So D. Engine. Engine. So alphabet E. This way you will do the exercise of matching. Now next, in spiral book page number 19, again matching exercise. This time you will match with the small alphabet. Small alphabet with the correct picture. So the first alphabet is small a. Small a. So A says A says A, aeroplane. A says A, aeroplane. Next B. Small b. B says balloon. B says balloon. Next is small c. C says C says cat. D says dog. E says elephant. And the last alphabet is F. So F says for fish. Very good. Now let's move towards our new alphabet of this week, that is alphabet G. Yes, introduction of alphabet G. Capital G, small g. The sound of G is G. Sound of G is G. Now let's learn some words with alphabet G. Capital G, small g. G says guava. G says guitar. G says grass. The color of grass is G says green. G says goat. G says giraffe. Now let me tell you, letter G has two sound, that is one is hard sound and one is soft sound. The hard sound is G and the soft sound is J. That's why soft sound J. Giraffe. G says gaga, gate. G says gaga, girl. G says gaga, gun. G says gaga, gorilla. G says gaga, glass. Now we will do the words like one flower name with alphabet G, that is golden moss. One vegetable name with alphabet G, that is G says gaga, garlic. One fruit name with alphabet G, that is G says gaga, guava. One object or thing, that is G says gaga, gold. One animal name, G says gaga, gorilla. One city name, G says gaga, Gandhinagar. That is the capital of Gujarat. This building is the Vidhan Sabha of capital Gandhinagar of Gujarat state. One country name, G says the soft sound J, that is Germany. This is the flag of the country Germany. And one bird name, that is G says gaga, goose. This is one of the water bird. It's a family of duck. Okay, but the size of goose is bigger than the duck. This is the female goose and the male is gander. And the plural of goose is geese. And the babies of goose is called goslings. That's all. Thank you so much. As you are familiar with the words related to alphabet G, we will do coloring in the block of capital G and small g. As usual, we will start with making the border. This way it will be easy for you to learn how to write. Then you will fill the white portion. Just you have to take care that while coloring, the stroke should be evenly. If you are doing up down, go on with up down. If you are doing with left right, you will do it with left right. This way you will finish the coloring in capital G, and then you will start same way with the small g. Curve, go up and down. Now fill the empty portion. Before we start to write in workbook and notebook, let's see how to write capital G and small g. For capital G, start from the red line, make a left curve like C, go up to the first blue line and then make a sleeping line and come down making standing line up to the second blue line. This is capital G. Now small g. For small g, within the blue line, make a left curve like small c and go up and come down touching the last red line, making a upward curve. This is small g. This way you will write small g. Now we will write in the workbook. Before we start to write in the workbook, let us say the sound of G. G says, the hard sound is G and the soft sound is J. G as in grapes, capital G as in grapes, small g as in grass, capital G as in grass, small g as in gate, capital G as in gate. Now let's read this story. The picture is goat saw the green grapes high up on the gate. It could only stand one gate, as it could not reach the tall gate. Let us find who reached the green grapes. Answer is on page 32. In this story, a goat has saw green grapes, but it is high up on the gate. तो वो गोट वहाँ पे पहुँच नहीं पा रहा है because गेट टॉल है, लंबा है. Then who will find and reach? तो कौन वहाँ तक पहुँच पाएगा? इसका आंसर पेज नंबर 32 पे दिया हुआ है. Now let's write small g. We will write small g. So for small g, make a left curve within the blue line, go up and come down and make a tail. Again, left curve within the blue line, go up, come down and make a tail. For capital G, the formation given in the workbook, we are not following that. We have to follow a curve from left curve from red line to blue line like capital C, then go up to the first blue line and make a sleeping line and come back standing line up to the blue line, that is capital G. One more time, left curve from red line to the second blue line, then go up, make a sleeping line, then come back making standing line on the same line, that is capital G. Same way you will finish the work in the workbook. Now on day 24.8.20 in the E1 notebook, small g and capital G writing work done. In the notebook also I will show once how to write small g. Left curve within the blue line, go up and come down to the red line and make a tail. You have to take care that you will not cross the red line. Again, left curve within the blue line, go up, come down straight up to the red line and a tail. For capital G, make left curve from red line to blue line as we do it. For capital C, go up and then make a slipping line and come down straight on the same standing line. That is capital G. I will show you one more time. Make like capital C, go straight up to the blue line, make a short slipping line and come down straight touching the second blue line. This way you will finish the work in E1. Introduction of alphabet H. Capital H, small h. H says hippopotamus. H says hand. H says hammer. H says hibiscus. H says honeybee. H says hen. H says hat. From the picture dictionary we will do more words. That is, H says hammer. H says horn. H says hand. H says horse. H says handkerchief. Now a flower name with alphabet H, that is, H says hibiscus. Vegetable name, H says horseradish. Fruit name, H says huckleberry. One object, thing, H says hat. Animal name, H says horse. Place name, H says Hyderabad. The Charminar is in Hyderabad. A country name, H says Hong Kong. A bird name, H says hummingbird. Thank you. Now we will do coloring in the block of alphabet H, capital H and small h. You can do coloring of your choice. You can choose your favorite color. Make border and then fill the empty space. Similarly with small h. You have to take care that while coloring, the color should not go out of the line. Before we start writing in workbook, let's see how to write H video. For capital H, start from the red line, make a standing line, then one more standing line, and in the middle, on the first blue line, you will make a sleeping line. That is capital H. For small h, start from the red line, make a standing line, and then go up on the first blue line and make a upper curve. You will not make this tail in our workbook. Now in the workbook on day 26.8.20, small h and capital H done. Let us say the sound of H. Small h as in hat, capital H as in hat. Small h as in house, capital H as in house. Small h as in horse, capital H as in horse. Now I will read out the story. You have to recognize the picture. On a horse I sat and wore a hat. Oh, my hat flew and the horse lost its shoe. The boy sat on the horse and wore a blue hat, but the blue hat flew away and the horse lost its shoe. Now let's write small h. For small h, start from the red line, come make standing line up to the blue line, go up and make a upper curve. One more time, standing line and go up and make a upper curve. That is small h. For capital H, make a standing line from red line to blue line, one more standing line from red line to blue line, and a sleeping line on the first blue line. You have to take care you will not give too much gap between the two standing lines. Capital H. This way you will finish the work in the workbook. Same way you will do in the notebook also. On 27.8.20, the notebook you will do the work done, small h and capital H. Standing line, go up and make a upper curve. For capital H, make standing line, two standing line, and in the middle sleeping line. Standing line, in the middle sleeping night. Capital H. It's time for picture talk. Cleanliness. Cleaning starts with you. Personal hygiene. What the boy is doing? Yes, brushing the teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands at least for 20 seconds. Take a bath daily. Dress up neatly. Comb your hair. Clip your nails regularly. Clean your ears regularly. But watch out. Mama or Papa will do. You will not do it yourself. Flush the toilet. Comb or brush your hair. Wipe your nose. Cover your cough. Catch your sneeze. Wash your hands. Steps to brushing your teeth. Wet your toothbrush and put toothpaste on it. Brush back and forth, up and down, front and back. Spit the toothpaste in the sink. Rinse your mouth and toothbrush with water. Dry your mouth. When you eat, use a napkin. Chew with your mouth closed. Drink from your own cup or glass. Throw away food that falls on the floor. Throw away your trash. Use a clean tissue to wipe your runny nose. Cover your cough. Cover your sneeze. Then wash your hands. Put used tissues in the bin. Keep your surroundings clean by brooming the house properly, mopping and throwing trash in the dustbin. Use clean utensils. Use washed clothes. Keep your school neat and clean by throwing trash in the dustbin. Keep your surroundings and society neat and clean. Cleanliness, the first law of health. Please maintain cleanliness and be healthy. Thank you. Now it's story time. Story of alphabet G. The name of the story is The Gauri Meets a Giraffe. Gauri is a little G, girl. She loves to eat guava and grapes. गौरी एक छोटी सी लड़की है, उसे गुआवा और ग्रेप्स खाना बहुत पसंद है। Gogo the goat is her good friend. गोगो गोट उसका अच्छा फ्रेंड है। One day they meet Guinea, the baby giraffe. एक दिन वो गिनी को मिलते हैं, जिराफ का बेबी। Sitting in the garden. What are you doing here, Guinea? Ask गौरी। गौरी गिनी को पूछती है, आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? गिनी says, I want to go to the green forest. गिनी कहता है, मुझे ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में जाना है। But I cannot go alone. पर मैं अकेला नहीं जा सकता। गौरी says, come, we will take you there. गौरी बोलती है, चलो हम ले जाते हैं। She gives Gogo and Guinea some grass to eat. वो गोगो और गिनी को ग्रास देती है खाने को। They reach the green forest. वो ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में पहुंच गए। गिनी is very happy. गिनी बहुत खुश है। Now let's recall the words with alphabet G. गौरी, guava, grapes, goat, soft sound of G, giraffe, garden, grass, the end. Now we will do story of alphabet H. The name of the story is Horse from the Hills. A horse from the hills. Hobo the baby horse. होबो एक बेबी हॉर्स था। Lives in her house in the hills. वो एक घर में रहता था जो हिल पे था। He wears a green hat. वो एक ग्रीन कलर की हैट पहनता था। He helps everyone. वो सबकी मदद करता था। One day, Henry the hen comes to him. एक दिन की बात है, हेनरी हैन उसके पास आती है। Help, he says. Help, मदद करो मेरी। Humpty the hippo, Harry the hare. Humpty हिप्पो और हैरी हेयर are fighting. वो झगड़ रहे हैं। होबो runs to find them. होबो दौड़ कर उनके पास पहुंचता है और बोलता है, Stop, please do not fight. झगड़ा मत करो। Humpty and Harry stop fighting and shake hands. Humpty और हैरी ने फाइटिंग करना बंद कर दिया और एक दूसरे से हाथ मिलाया. They go back home as friends. वो अपने घर वापस गए फ्रेंड्स बन के. Now let's recall the words. A horse, a house, a hills, a hat, a hand, a hippo, a hair, a hand, a happy. I hope you all will be happy. Take care. Bye bye.